Here's your ticket.
Hey, sorry I'm late. The traffic was crazy.
It's okay. We're still waiting on a few more folks.
Okay.
You see your name here?
Yeah, Polo.
Polo?
Polo.
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 Polo. Nice to meet you. You can have a seat right over there.
Okay.
No, not over there. Over there.
All right.
Yeah, oh, wait. Your raffle ticket, sir.
Hey. How's it going? I'm Polo.
Howdy. I'm Dorothy.
That accent. Is it French?
Watch it, bucko. That first place prize has my name on it.
There's a prize?
Oh, no, you don't know. The first place prize is a 32-spin horse cycle and 2 days paid vacation.
That's awesome.
I'm the best in the West when it comes to sales.
Alrighty, folks. I want to start by saying thank you and welcome to Wally's Washing Machine and Things. No questions. Now I'm gonna get you guys together for some meet and greet games. You two, I want y'all over there. You over here, and you, I want you over there.
Hi, I'm Sally.
I'm sorry?
Sally.
What?
Sally!
Sally.
You city folks smell so clean. What is that?
It's soap.
Soap?
You don't know what it is?
No, what do you use it for?
Is she for real?
So why do you love washing machines?
I don't. I'm actually afraid of washing machines. But my mom and my therapist told me to come here so I can face my fears and pay my rent.
Right. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. I'll be back. You need this job. You need it. Right? Do I need this job? This very specific job selling washing machines? Why am I doing this? That first place prize. That washing machine could change my life. My family's life. I'd be a hero. A god. What are my chances of winning? Like 1 in 4? That's practically 0. Oh, fuck it. Marco?
Polo, it's so good to see you, man.
Dude, I haven't seen you since Ellie's New Year's party. How's it going?
Oh yeah, it's been a while. It was crazy. It's going pretty well. Just working here at Wally's. Are you one of the new recruits?
You work here? I was thinking about leaving, actually. I don't think I fit in.
Why?
It's just I don't think I'm a sales type person, you know?
Did you see the first place prize? It's got 32 cycles, man.
I think I should go. All right. Thanks, Marco.
All right, later, man.
All right. And our winner today is Polo.
Oh, no.
We got Polo out there? Polo.
I'm Polo.
Polo? Polo?